This Week in Virtualization, the weekly newscast from SearchServerVirtualization.com. With Colin Steele and Keith Kessinger. This Week in Virtualization, there's a new storage add-on for Hyper-V. Overland Storage gets back into the market, and Mitel and VMware team up on virtual VoIP. Welcome to the February 19th edition of This Week in Virtualization. I'm site editor Colin Steele.
And I'm assistant editor Keith Kessinger.
In our top story, Virsto Software has a new tool to improve Microsoft Hyper-V storage performance. Beta testers say the software, called Virsto One, gives a big boost to Hyper-V storage performance and will help lower costs. The company announced the product this week. Virsto One installs into Hyper-V R2 as a filter driver. It aims to solve the I/O blender effect, which happens when too many VMs try to get their I/O streams processed by the hypervisor. The software makes I/O processing smoother and reduces latency, according to CEO Mark Davis. Other features include high performance, thin provision snapshots, and VM clones. On the downside, Virsto One only works with the standalone Hyper-V manager, not Virtual Machine Manager, which is more advanced. The software does not yet integrate with VMware either, but it was designed to be hypervisor agnostic. In other news, Overland Storage is trying to get back into the market with a new iSCSI SAN for virtual environments. The company this week launched the Snap Server SAN S2000 for VMware and Hyper-V, according to SearchSMBStorage.com. Features include automated provisioning, a vCenter plugin for automated mirroring, and integration with Microsoft's Volume Shadow copy services. Overland hasn't been a major player in storage since it lost an OEM tape deal with Hewlett-Packard in 2006. The company's new strategy focuses on the Snap Server technology acquired from Adaptec in 2008. We'll be right back.
Attention IT managers. It doesn't matter if you're just getting into virtualization or if your entire business has been virtualized for years. SearchServerVirtualization.com has all the resources you need to get the most out of this rapidly growing technology. Our tips come from some of the most respected experts in the field, and our experienced news staff and bloggers will keep you up to date on the latest developments in the market. Get all of this and more at SearchServerVirtualization.com.
Welcome back. Unified communication systems have never really been virtualization candidates until now. Before, virtual UC systems could not replicate the levels of performance and availability that call control servers required. And real-time communications applications didn't always function properly in virtualized environments. That all changed when communications vendor Mitel worked with VMware to solve VoIP virtualization problems. This week, Mitel announced a virtualization version of its call control server, according to our sister site, SearchUnifiedCommunications.com. The benefits of a virtualized call controller server include cost savings and a more resilient infrastructure for disaster recovery. With the help of vMotion, a systems administrator can migrate a call control application to another host when a server fails or needs maintenance. Mitel's virtual call control system is now available and in production with several companies. And that's all the time we have for now. I'm Keith Kessinger.
And I'm Colin Steele. Thanks for tuning in to This Week in Virtualization.